Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to introduce Wood-inlaid Secret Box with 4 steps. This one has beautiful wood-inlaid decoration of Mount Fuji. These patterns are made of natural wood of different colors. The surface is so smooth and there are no gaps. We can see the precise work by craftsmen. It also has flowers on the side panels and the bottom. To open these secret boxes, you have to find the solution. Each box has different numbers of steps to follow to open it. And this one requires 4 steps. Now let's see how to open it together. Step 1. Push this side down. Step 2. Slide the lid this way. Step 3. Turn it around and slide the other side down. Step 4. This time slide the lid this way and it comes off all the way. The inside is like this. You can put anything you like. We will put a spinning top. When you close it, please follow the steps in the reversal order. This is how to open Wood-inlaid Secret Box with 4 steps. It comes with a written instruction like this, so you can see the solution whenever you need it. That wraps up today's video. We hope you enjoyed. If you want to try one of the secret boxes, please check out our store. We are looking forward to your order. Thank you for watching.